There's an old saying, you reap what you sow. So sow the seeds of what you want. So right now we're talking about purpose. What is it that within your purpose of existence, your purpose of truly being here? Sure, I always see the interesting aspects of natural instinct and learned behavior. Learned behavior can be many things. It could be what you've adapted and or adopted through the environments in which you have been cultivated within, the level of programming, right? The data that's within your mind. Yet, what about your natural instincts? The things that just naturally point you in a certain type of direction. Well, purpose. Let's look at purpose. What is it not just coming from your head, not just coming from what we call your heart, your emotions, your moods? Yet what about within your core, the core of who you are, the full center of your being? What is your purpose of why you're truly here? Well, many have their reasonings. Only you know where you're coming from and what you're coming through to say, well, this is my purpose. I've heard many say that it's meant for me to serve, it's meant for me to share. And all these things are exteriorly. Yet as we discuss the power of going within, go within thyself to be clear of thy purpose to thyself. Even though we may have great intentions, are we still doing the absolute correct thing? That is up to the individual to come to grips with. So when I look at purpose, I look at purpose as a wonderful, absolute clarity. A clarity based upon me being what? Centered? Centered in my mind. I don't have a bunch of clutter like a garage or a basement. And then being in alignment. All of my energies, my moods, my drive, my encouragement, my determination. It's in alignment with existence. Now, when I say in alignment with existence, I don't mean that it's everything exteriorly that drives you in the direction of where you're going. I mean only your alignment that you know of that's within the all of existence. With that being shared, to know your purpose so that you can truly serve your destiny. I know for a fact that if you go within, you can gain clarity on what that exactly is. It may not be through the options that you have been taught or environmentally programmed to choose from. It may be something that you actually may need to create. Yet create it from and through the foundation of going within. Going within. I mean allowing the energy and the levels of great health, the levels of being happy, the levels of harmony to assist you with calculating in the most tranquil, serene way within yourself of coming to clarity of your purpose. And through that, oh, wow, it's absolutely incredible on what that can do for generations to come. You know, it's so many things that can do with just you calling and wanting and being determined to know your absolute purpose that only you know as your own individual being. And it's never too late. It is absolutely never too late to want to know what is my absolute purpose of my existence and to walk into that level of determination filled with happiness, filled with smiles, filled with honor. Therefore, may you have integrity. So that you're balanced internally and you're balanced externally. You see how I went from this side to that side? Why? Because ultimately, we're secular. We're secular. We have many dots upon our life. And everyone is different. Everyone is different. Yet it's okay for us to have the same, I would say, pathways, or we may have to take different pathways. We may have to accumulate different types of knowledge, and may it bring you wisdom. Yet to know your purpose and to be clear of your purpose. I also want to share this. This is going to sound a little strange here from your teachings. I'm not saying purpose singularly. So you know what? Let's put an S on there just for clarity. To know our purpose is. So for me, I say that in the sense of to know my purpose, it is a multitude of things that come along with it. And I'm happy to be on the journey and in the journey for that level of clarity. I am Baba Cordell. Thank you for partaking in this wonderful fellowship and sharing. And may you be determined to know your purpose. Take care.